Carnitas. Today I'm going to go over how to make pork carnitas. Okay, so I've got this pork butt left over from my chorizo video. So I'm just going to use whatever's left over this and just cube it up. First, I've got my pot. It's wide enough and big enough to hold all this lard here, pork fat, so some of that. And then I'm just gonna melt this guy. And it's very similar to, if you guys saw my pork crackling video on YouTube a while back, check that out. It's basically the same method. I'm gonna cook off the pork in the lard for a couple hours. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steep my spices in it, then I'll strain it out. So black peppercorn, Mexican oregano, chipotle, annatto seed, a couple of bay leaves, the zest of a lime. So just let all this stuff steep in the fat and do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't bring this up too high because then it will burn. Then we're gonna strain this and then cook our pork in it. So as you can see, after straining, the color of the fat has changed. I'm just gonna add in some water, then my pork. Okay, so then you just wanna cook this guy off, occasionally stirring it for about 1 to 2 hours on medium heat. And then we'll come back to it, then we'll crank the heat back up. Okay, so check this out. It's going for like an hour already, and it's starting to boil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pump the heat up to about 350, and then we're gonna cook these off until they darken up and they're golden brown color. Got this nice golden brown all around. This has been going for about 2 hours. Corn tortilla, carnitas, and then just a squeeze of lime. Now this is pretty much the original way to do it, and that's it. But I like to add some salsa. This is a tomatillo salsa that I made in a past video. Recipe down below. Also, I forgot to mention, season your pork when it's done cooking. That's it right there. That's so good.